Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix ERR cached miss in Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first solution that you need to do is that you need to try to reload the page. So try to reload the page. Okay, you can press Control F5 key together. And that way you'd be able to reload it, or you can simply press 4 CMD Shift and R on Mac for Mac users, and that way you'd be able to reload the page. So try to reload it and check if the error has been fixed. Yet if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, and that is to clear the browser data. So proceed to the Chrome, make a right click, and from here click for open so that you can continue. Once opened, expand it first. Proceed to the top right corner. You can click for three dots. Click for it so that you can customize and control Chrome. Scroll down, find for settings, which has the gear icon. From here, proceed to the left pane. You can find their privacy and security. Under privacy and security section, there you can see delete browsing data. Mark all of the boxes here. These are history, cached, cookies, and other site data. Click for delete data. Wait for some time until this would be successfully done. Once done, you need to check if the error has been fixed. Yet if not, then we need to open the Chrome settings again. This time we need to navigate to the extensions. Once a new tab has been opened under extensions, you need to identify the extensions that you have added here. So you need to remove that one by one so that you can identify what specific extensions had caused the issue. Click for remove or navigate to the switch here to turn it off. Once done, you can check if the error has been resolved. Yet if not, then we need to navigate to the last solution, and that is to flush the DNS cached. So proceed here at the bottom search bar, type for CMD. From here, please proceed to the right side and click for Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. Now from here, type for ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Click on the under key, netsh space winsock space reset. Don't worry because I'll be including this in the YouTube description. Click on the enter key, and it says here you must restart the computer so that you can complete the reset. Close the window, navigate to the start, proceed to the power menu button and click for restart. Once done, once you have restarted it, check if the error has been resolved. Okay? So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.